This is some of the lingua franca of the funk business, and people come from miles around with an almost religious devotion to get on down.
I hate this.